Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sunflower. Let's start off by drawing a really fuzzy circle for the middle of the sunflower. Next, we can draw the petals with long lines that curve up to a point like so. To make sure all of the petals are evenly spaced, we'll first draw the top one and the bottom one. Then, the right one and the left one. Followed by a petal in between each of those petals, and then some more in between each petal. Finally, we can add the tips of even more petals by drawing a V shape in between each of those petals to fill it out some more. For the stem, draw 2 lines coming down from underneath. And for the leaves, draw a line sticking out from the stem with a big leaf shape around it like so. Do that 2 more times on the left side as well. To add some more detail, add some really thin lines along the petals. And some dots in the middle of the sunflower like this for some added texture. And now you've got a sunflower. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.